We'll show this. I'm going to turn that door, I guess. Give me a second. Okay, now it wants to work. That's good. At least it's working again. Now it wants to work. That's good. At least it's working again. Now it wants to work. That's good. I'm gonna send you guys the link. Let me turn on my mic for you guys so it's nice. So give me a second here. Where's my mic at? Here it is. Cool. Okay. And let's turn this down some echo cancellation. Give it a little bit more time. Three minutes until we actually start. Seven people, 2 minutes left. Just setting out an announcement for everyone here. As time ticks, we get closer, and it is 5:30. Let's turn this down. Let's turn it off. Okay, let me make sure everyone can still hear me. Everyone able to still hear me? Test, test, test. Everyone able to still hear me? Test, test, test. Okay, cool. It still works. I can hear myself. But yeah, guys, welcome to Sunday Stock Talk. For those of you guys who are new, my name is Kyle, or FBI. I am one of the founders of, not founders, but one of the owners of R&B Trading now. And this is my Sunday Stock Talk, where I like to talk about what I'm going to look at for the week and what I think could potentially happen. And I do it every time at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time, because that is when the market closes. Or not the market, sorry. That is when the futures open. It is 2 hours after futures open, so it gives me some idea of what could happen. So if we look here at ES, for anyone who doesn't know, ES is SPY or SPX for whatever you like to trade. We see here that we opened up at 4497. So we opened up at a beautiful level right here. We also noticed that we tried retesting these levels here, and then we couldn't break up the high, our open here. We couldn't break up the high of the open here at 449. We'll just say 4,500 flat, 4,500 flat. We couldn't break above that level. And so we came right back down. We're starting to form a nice range, a nice value zone here, as we can see within this 2 area for now. But this has only been lasting for about an hour now, a little more than an hour and a half it's been lasting. We don't have any buying pressure coming in yet, so we have to just kind of be on the lookout for that. What I do see, though, is weakness showing because there's no buying pressure, and we do have a support level here. Let me see on the 15-minute chart how all this looks. So on the ES 15-minute chart, we are noticing that we aren't really getting much happening here either. So we see here that we did form a nice double bottom. Here, let me draw this out for any of you guys who need to see. So we formed this beautiful double bottom. We came back into this value range. We bounced off perfectly off this value area low, hit the point of control, broke the point of control, held it for a bit, came right back down the point of control, hit the value area low again, bursted through the point of control this time, and finally made our move backwards above the value area high for a move backwards to previous resistance here at 452625. And then what happens next? We came right back down. So this right here, we have a low, we have a higher high forming, higher low, we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low now, higher low, and we just have a low forming here. So the stock is just in a consolidate, or not the stock, ES is in a consolidation zone right now, so we need to see what happens in this area here. Like I said, ES needs to break, in my opinion, guys. Yeah, if ES breaks this floor here that we have at 4482.25, if we break below this soon, we should see 4479 again, and then if we break below 4479, we should see 4475, then 4470, and then we should see this range here, 4456 again. This is on the 15-minute chart. Now, if we look at ES on the daily, we notice that we have a major support level here. So what I would like to see is kind of us maybe potentially stay within this channel we have forming here. But look at this, guys. Look at SPY. I charted this out for you guys. Is it this one we're looking at? Oh, no, it was NQ. And here, I believe is the one that I'm looking at lately. Or QQQ. Oh no, is my trend line gone? Oh no. My trend line is gone, guys. That sucks. Oh, my level that I had is gone. That's okay. But on SPY here, we have this forming. So we did pull it. So we did have this drawn on SPY here. We are down here currently right now on ES. What I would like us to see, however, is I would like us to see to retest this level here, potentially a 4435 for a move upwards. Because if we break below 4435, then we're just going to get stuck right back into this consolidation zone. Which, if we happen to do, is a nice zone for us to form a pretty big double bottom. And then we can make our next move upwards here. But in this range that we have going on right now, it's not looking very nice for us. I do see us potentially losing this level here of 4480 and us dropping back down to 4470. Just in my opinion, from the looks of things as of right now, though. I mean, who knows? Maybe we could stay within this value range that we see going on here. Maybe we could stay above 4470 or 4469. That'd be nice to see, because then if we could stay above this, then we can see that we're playing this value or this range nice. No, this range in this zone that we have going on here really nice, which would be cool. But yeah, we potentially would like to see a break out of this. So 4495 is what I'm looking for us to break above in order for any type of retest of 4510 to 4514. Yeah, so there's your kind of market outlook for SPY. Stocks that I've been looking at lately are Tesla. I like Tesla a lot. So it doesn't look well, but if we look at Tesla here, a lot of levels going on. But we can erase some of these if we really wanted to. Just look at this level fast. Hold on, give me a second, guys. I'll get rid of some of these so it's easier to see. And it's not all cluttered. There we go. So, Tesla. Inverse head and shoulders pattern forming here. We have a left shoulder forming here. We have a head forming here. We have a right shoulder forming here. And this right shoulder, however, is forming a nice little double bottom pattern as well. It's also showing some nice momentum. We see here, we see that volume is above average. And we see here that occurred all throughout Friday, which was nice to see. So I believe if Tesla can hold this 926.22 level here, 926 level here, we should be able to see a push above 935. Anything above 935, in my opinion, would be perfect for calls for like 980 to 1,000. I could see Tesla hitting 1,000 this week again, guys. But if we hold 926.22, just look for that. Anything below 926.22, cut your calls. If you have calls of 926.22, as long as it's holding above that, I would buy calls because I really like this setup that it's getting right now. So please pay attention to Tesla. Another stock that I was looking at is PayPal. PayPal, oh my god, guys, look at PayPal. Like, I mean, it's died. It's literally died so hard and fast too. We can see that here. We can see it just dies hard. However, we are now in a weekly demand zone. You see this level here where we rejected off twice and then we finally broke through? We are back at this level again, which last occurred in 2020. So it's been 2 years since we've touched this level again. But the fact that we're here indicates to me that this could be a strong buy zone, especially since it's on the weekly chart. And if we look here, we can see that we are bouncing off perfectly off of that 214 low here. That not 214, 221 low, which is the demand zone that we have forming. And so anything above this red zone, in my opinion, I'll make it obvious for you guys, make it a little bit better to see. Anything above here, in my opinion, PayPal should make its move upwards. Above 127 here, this value area that we have going on, we should see a nice move upwards to 130 to 132.73. And potentially for the gap fill back upwards to 150 to 152. I mean, like, if we look here, if we just get that break above 126.20, honestly, maybe even 128.81, 128.81, we could see 131 again, and then after 131, we get 139. So that would be awesome That would be really awesome to see, guys. But yeah, keep PayPal on an eye because of this massive drop that it's had for any potential rebound. I mean, look at this gap. Like, this gap just needs to be filled, in my opinion. And I think it will. What other stocks was I looking at? Target is a good one. If we look at Target here, you see that Target's kind of been in a wedge. It's kind of been dropping at the same time too. Kind of looks awful. However, this is where the however comes in. We are bouncing off the 61.8 GP level, which is awesome to see. And since the fact that we are in this downtrend here forming, we could see that this is the bottom of the downtrend and signs of a potential reversal taking place here. Again, we also have a double bottom in play with this nice demand zone forming that has formed, in my opinion. As long as we stay above 209, target should move up. But a retrace of maybe 211 would be nice to see. Let's see, look at that. So we've already retraced this level. So I mean, if we can get another retrace here, if we can bounce off like 211, 78, 210 within this range here, in my opinion, we should continue to move upwards. We just gotta, yeah. I'd like to see a retest of 211. If we don't get that retest of 211, the break above 214.21, we should see 217. I'm very confident in that. Anything below these levels, though, is just going to keep on free falling downwards, guys. But what else did I want to look at? I had something else I wanted to see. HD, was it? No, it wasn't HD. What stock was it? I believe. What did I want to look at? Zom. That's what it was. Zom. Another big stock to look at. On the weekly chart here, look at this. Weekly chart, we're starting to go for new highs. Like, we're trying to go for levels that Zom hasn't seen in so long. This is the 3-year chart, so like we're in the beginning of 3 years. 3 years ago, Zom hasn't seen these levels in that long. So that this 83 level here, I'm gonna mark it. This is a massive level. We have to break this level if we want to continue upwards and build some steam to break 4 new highs on the weekly chart. However, if we look at things on the daily, we can just see that this is like very, very overextended, and it needs to hold above 80 in order for this to continue upwards. Anything below 80, I see this dropping back downwards to like 75, 70. And the fact that they actually have dividends coming up soon, this right here would help us a lot. It's on the 9th, 6th, 7th. It's on Wednesday. Yeah, if this breaks 80, I'm looking at puts for 75 to 70. I'm pretty strong on that one. But yeah, guys, that's all I have to look at. If you guys want me to look at any stocks, just type them down below. It seems like everyone's good. Alrighty, guys, so I'm going to end the stream on that note. And yeah, let's kill it tomorrow, guys. We're gonna have a great week. I already know it. I can already tell. This is gonna be an awesome week. Zom, just keep that in mind. Zom, big play. Big play.